welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha and you all know me by my channel Glamorous Mimi. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and turn that notification bell on so you won't miss any videos I post. If you're new, hello, welcome to my channel. So this is why we get it popping and we stay glamorous. So welcome to the Glamorous Mimi channel. So you read that title, you read that thumbnail. It's the Wet n Wild haul / makeup tutorial on the Bretman Rock Jungle Rock palette. That's a tongue twister. I hope I say his name right throughout the video. If I did it was not purposely. It wasn't. Bretman Rock. Anyway, yeah, it was not purposely, but I be trying this Bretman Rock Jungle Rock palette, and I will show you what the things I got from Wet n Wild throughout the Bretman Rock Jungle Rock collection. I didn't get any lip gloss or nothing like that. I just got the palette and a free bag and a rose water and a Wet n Wild sponge. But anyway, but make sure y'all do that. Follow me on my personal page on Instagram with my business page on Instagram, Mimi Glam Beauty, and follow my personal page, Glamorous Mimi. Follow me on Snapchat, Glamorous Mimi, and follow me on Twitter, Mimi Cofield. So yes, you got all of that, so make sure you do all of that so you won't miss anything I'm posting, because I do post now, so you gotta stay in the news with me. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Before we get into this this tutorial or Wet n Wild haul, I just want to say I'm trying the Bretman Rock Jungle Rock palette, and I ordered a few stuff off Wet n Wild. So the first thing I ordered was this primer water from Wet n Wild. I did not own a single thing from Wet n Wild, but luckily I got this. But I'ma just try this stuff out to see how it works. And I heard a few things about the Bretman Rock palette that is not pigmented, and it is pigmented. It's like, I remember watching this video, he said one of the eyeshadow stains. So I just wanted the palette because I heard people was talking about it, and I just wanted to try it for myself. So that's the first thing I got. And the second thing I got was beauty sponge. I don't own nothing of Wet n Wild, so I got this beauty sponge. I just want to get it just because I only got like 4 things, but I wanted to come on here and share with y'all before I get in a Wet n Wild tutorial. So the next thing I got was the palette. Here goes the palette, the Bretman Rock Jungle Rock palette, and it got the shades on back of the palette. This is a 15 shade shadow palette, and let me open it up and see. I did swatch some of the shades, and this is how it looks. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. So I think this shade does not swatch well. It did not swatch well to me, but it's like, it's a light shade. I remember him saying it's a very light shade. It's not gonna be pigmented much. It is, but I'm gonna just do some colors, and hopefully it turns out okay. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. So like, I'm confused about this. So excuse me, I'm sorry, excuse me. The next thing I got was the Jungle Rock bag, and it's pretty big for a different size. I like this bag. I may use it for traveling. I don't know. I like it though. but it's very big. Back there. It got his initials, Brick Rock, right here on the bag. It has his initials, and this is pretty cute. Pretty cute. Lord, I'm gonna tear the bag off the pieces before I can get it to use it. Okay, this zipper is very jammed unless I'm zipping it too rough. Okay. Okay, nailed it. But this is how it looks in the inside. Like, it's very spacious. Ooh, I like that already. So I'm gonna just put that to a side. Right there. And let's get into this makeup tutorial. I already got my eyebrows done. I mean, my eyebrows already been done. My eyelids already been primed with concealer. Hoping the concealer picks up the shadow as I think it would, but let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. I don't know what shade I want to start with. I'll be back, y'all. I want to try this shade Ape Shit. That's what said Ape Shit. All his eyeshadow got some funny ass names. It's not funny ass, but it's like funny names that we say in general in life. Like Ape Shit. I'm gonna just go in with this Ape Shit color right here. Right here. This shade right here. Under your spotlight. Okay, so as you can see, that color did work, but you gotta build the color. Just build it up by just adding more. I like this color, Ape Shit. I like it. So yeah. The next shade I'm gonna take is Two Can Play That Game right here. Two Can Play That Game. And I'm just gonna put that on top of that brown that I put in my crease. I'm just put it on top just to play with this palette and see what it's all about. Under your spotlight. So I just did my left eye, so I'm just gonna do my right eye. I just want to do a cut crease. I had to go off camera for that. I gotta concentrate, but I can do it on camera, but I just choose to do it on camera. But I'm gonna just take this this gold that I got on my eyelid on my left. It's called King of the Jungle right here. King of the Jungle right here, and put it on my eyelid where I got my cut is crease. So that is done. I'm gonna take what's left on my brush of King in the Jungle. I'm gonna brush it on my eyebrow bone to get a little highlight on my eyebrow bone. Now I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do my face, and I will be right back and finish off the video, and let's go. So yeah. So this is the final look on the Bretman Rock Junker Rock palette. I really like this palette. Just to finish my look, I use what? Proud to highlight my nose, Proud, and that's it. Yeah, Proud. It's like P-R-O-W-L, Proud. But yeah, but I use this shade to put on my nose and all that good stuff. And don't be lying on my nose too. I kind of mix the colors. Don't be lying right here and Proud right here to highlight my nose and everywhere, my forehead, all of that. But I really do like this palette. I can see some colors they say it's ashy and they don't pick up pigment. I'm not gonna get all into that, but for me, this is a good palette. I would say pick you up one. While it's in stock at Ulta and everything. I don't have my Walmart. My Walmart doesn't have this palette, so I just order online. People say it's in Walmart, but it's not in Walmart over where I stay. I don't have an Ulta, so everything I got to do is basically I got to order online. So it's okay, but as long as they see me my stuff, okay? Yes, but this is the final look. I hope y'all love it. Yes, I hope y'all love it. And yeah, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow on my social media, and I see y'all Glamour Space in the next video.